What's up, guys? It's me, Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe. Today we have two friends joining us, Maddie and Lily. Maddie has been in one of my videos before called Barbie Gets Robbed.
Which was a while ago.
Yeah. So
about a year?
Probably.
Maybe 2.
So go check that out after this. Ding, ding, ding!
Ooh, 12 a.m. time to escape. Ooh, me, 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 me.
Did you identify her in any way?
Stop! Can I get seen? She's right here! She's right here! No!
Okay, ma'am. Call your lawyer. We'll go to car.
I got the money right here.
Hey!
Bye, lady. I don't care.
Lady, you need
Bye.
Lady, you need to call your lawyer.
Lawyer! Someone stole my $100 bill!
Yes, Granny? Yes, Granny?
Oh, my husband gave me that $100 bill, and now it's gone, and my husband's dead. It's the most $1,000 bill I ever had. I was never going to spend it. I slept with it every night.
Didn't he give you, something to, remember?
No, he died, and he didn't have anything with him. So he said, "Here's my $1,000 bill. I want you to always have." And then he backed away. We all want to go to court with that lady once they catch her. Boom!
I'm right here with the $100 bill.
Why did the police got you? Lawyer, get her!
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. She's too fast.
The police will get her. I know it. I'm sure of it.
I don't care, because I'm rich. Yes. Yo.
No, it's here. I'm gonna run.
Ah! Got you. We're going to handle this in court.
Way back. I'm gonna try and chase down.
Oh, what? Who took the money? Did you? No.
Yes?
Take it out of your mouth. Okay, I did steal it, but she's gonna die anyways. No, she isn't. She's 100 years old. She's gonna die at 100 years old.
Judge, help me.
Oh, let's go see if she's actually dead. Ha! I raped you. I hadn't. I was alive the whole time.
And I'm gonna live forever in heaven.
Oh, no, she's taking me. Help me, Granny. Oh, wait. No. Ha. Good job, sis. Thanks, bro. I got my money.
She died with her money.
She was a really good friend, and I turned good.